Okay, now let us see 11.1 exercise, remaining problems fourth. In previous videos we have seen that 1 to 3rd problem. Now in this video we are going to solve 4th problem and 5th problem. Okay, if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, find sin A and tan A. So first of all, let us see here, A is here yet given. A means regarding this A we have to consider the sides. So opposite A is opposite side, that we are going to take it as perpendicular, and this one is adjacent, that is B, and this is constant hypotenuse H. Okay, now here cos A, first of all write down Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole, sin cos tan. So here cos A is equal to 12 by 13. So what is here? Cos means B by H. B by H. So B means what is here? It is 12 and H means 13. So this is going to become 13. Now here if you see the right angle triangle, here we got only the two sides, 12 centimeters and 13 units. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, square on the hypotenuse, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have to find BC, means make BC as a subject, square root AC square minus AB square. So here AC, how much? 13 square minus AB, 12 square. 13 square is 169 minus, what is here? Come on, say. 12 square is 144. That gives you 169 minus 144 is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. So BC is equal to how much? 5. So this is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, now we know all the three sides. Now sin A. So regarding with the A only we have taken all. So sin cos tan, P by H. P by H. P means what? BC by H means AC. BC is equal to 5, AC is 13. Similarly tan A. Tan A means P by B. So what is P? BC. What is B? Base AB. BC is equal to 5, AB is equal to 12. So like this we can find the trigonometric ratios regarding either A or C. Like this we can find out. Okay. So if you want to write down these notes, just pause the video and complete the problem. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem. It is in the same process. 3 tan A is equal to 4, find sin A cos A. So first of all, tan 3 tan A is equal to 4. We want only tan. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, regarding with one, here A, here A, here A. So we have to take A. So this is going to become opposite side. Opposite side, and that is perpendicular. This one is adjacent, that is B, and this is hypotenuse, which is equal to H. So Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole, we know that tan means P by B. P by B. What is P? BC by AB. BC by AB. So BC value is 4, AB value is 3. Again here we have only two sides of a right angle triangle. You have to find the third side. So again according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have to find the AC, means AC is going to become the subject, AB square plus BC square. What is AB value here? AB is 3 square, BC is 4 square. 3 square is 9 plus 16 gives you 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So AC value is 5. So AC is equal to how much? Here it is 5. Now find sin A and cos A. Sin A. So Pandit Badri Prasad Harara bole sin cos tan P by H. P by H. P means BC, H means AC. So that is equal to 4 by 5. Cos A. Cos means what is here? B by H. That is equal to AB by AC. 3 by 5. So like this we can find the trigonometric ratios. I hope you have understood the process. These two are of the same method. Just pause the video, write down the solution. So if you get any doubt, just drop your doubts in the comment box. Okay children, now let us move for the next problem. On to the sixth problem. So once again I am going to read the question here. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. So here what he had given, there are two triangles. There are two triangles ABC and XYZ. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So he said angle A and angle X are acute angles and cos A is equal to cos X. Then show that angle A is equal to angle X. Okay. Now let us move to the problem now. Cos A. Cos A means regarding this one. So what happens? This is going to be the opposite side. Opposite side means what here? Opposite side means perpendicular. This is adjacent side means B, and this is going to become hypotenuse H. Okay. Now here cos, what are the sides of cos? Yes, very good. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? B by H. So what is B means? AB by AC. Okay. Now similar to cos X. So regarding to X we have to consider. So opposite, this one is going to become opposite side means perpendicular. This is adjacent side means base, and hypotenuse will be similar H. Okay. So here cos X. What are the sides for cos? Base by hypotenuse. What is base here? XY. By hypotenuse is XZ. Okay, did you understand? Cos A means Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Bole. Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Bole. Cos means B by H. So like that we have written. Okay. Now in the given he said cos A is equal to cos X. That means AB by AC is equal to xy by xz. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to assume here, let AB by AC is equal to xy by xz. We are assuming it as a constant value k. Let us say k. Okay. Now for each term, AB by AC is equal to k. Then transpose here, AB is equal to k into AC. Okay. Now for the second one, xy by xz is equal to k. So which implies xy is equal to k into xz. Why we are writing all these terms? Let us see here. Now here, according to the Pythagoras theorem, now let us see here in the triangle, ABC, Pythagoras theorem. What is square and the hypotenuse? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now here I am making BC as subject, is equal to under root AC square minus AB square. Here under root AC square minus AB square. AB means what? K into AC. K into AC whole square. So here BC is equal to under root, what is here? AC square minus K square AC square. So what is common here? AC square common means 1 minus K square. So let us assume this is as a first equation. Now in triangle XYZ, same Pythagoras theorem, xz square is equal to xy square plus yz square. So here what you have to make the subject? Yz as a subject. Is equal to under root xz square minus xy square. So substitute these values, xz square, xy is how much? K into xz whole square, that is xz square minus k square into xz square. So this is all comes on the whole. So common xz square 1 minus k square. This is second equation. So now divide the equations 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 divided by 2. So what is first equation here? BC by what here? YZ. YZ is equal to BC under root AC square into 1 minus K square by YZ value is xz square to 1 minus K square. So here both are having common root. So AC square into 1 minus K square by xz square into 1 minus K square. This one cancel. So under root AC by xz whole square, square root cancel. That means BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. So here if you see here, both the corresponding sides of two triangles are equal. BC by YZ, AC by XZ. So from this equation we can write what is remaining here. Still here BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ is equal to what is remaining here, AB by XY. Now these are the three sides of both the two triangles. So from this one we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. So these two triangles are similar, corresponding their sides. AC is equal to XZ, AB is equal to XY, BC is equal to YZ. If the three sides of a triangle are equal, then their corresponding angles also equal. Hence angle A is equal to angle X. Like this we are going to prove that here. So angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. If you want to write a note, you can write here. I am writing here angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So this is a very important problem, because first of all you have to prove that these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles also equal. In the same process we have done this problem. Okay children, pause the video and make a note of this problem. Okay, now let us see 7th question. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So I am drawing a right angle triangle here. So here A, B, C. So theta wherever you want you can consider here. This is as theta. Now we know that Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole. So sin, cos, tan. So we know that sin, cos, tan. From reciprocals means cosec, sec and cot. For this one like this, top to bottom, and here bottom to top. So here for this one opposite side means this is going to become opposite side, that is equal to P, and this is adjacent side as B, and this is hypotenuse as H. Now cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So cot theta means bottom to top, B by P. B by P. What is B? BC. P, AB. So BC is equal to 7, AB is equal to 8. BC is equal to 7, this is 7, AB is equal to 8. So if you know two sides, again you have to find the third side. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what is that? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is equal to under root AB 8 square, BC 7 square, that gives you 64 plus 49. 64 plus 49 gives you 113. So the value is here root 113. Okay, so we got all the three sides of a right angle triangle. Now let us, before evaluating this one, you have to find sin theta and cos theta. Okay, sin theta and cos theta you have to find here. So let us see here what is sin theta and what is cos theta. Sin theta, top to bottom, P by H. P by H. What is P? AB H is AC. AB means 8. AC means root 113. Then cos theta. B by H. What is B? BC. H means AC. BC by AC is equal to 7 by root 113. Now we have to evaluate. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta is 8 by root 113 by cos theta is 7 by root 113. So in the numerator LCM is root 113, root 113 is a root 113 plus 8 by 7 by root 113. This one cancel. So here root 113 plus 8 by 7. So this is the solution for the 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, nothing is there. First of all, you have to find all the three sides of a right angle triangle, and whatever the ratio he had given, for that one you have to opposite, means whichever side it is coming, either for C means this side is opposite, for A means BC is the opposite side. Again we know that the how to find the ratios, Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole, like this you can find down the solution. Okay, so in 7th bit we are having 2 bits. I have done 1 bit, remaining 1 bit you have to do as the practice problem. Okay, now let us move to the next problem. Okay, so last problem of the exercise 11.1. In right angle triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. If tan A is equal to root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now we have drawn a right angle triangle, angle B is at 90 degrees, tan A is equal to root 3, nothing is there in the denominator, means 1. As we know that Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole, tan means sin cos tan, P by B, P by B. So A, this is the A. So what is the opposite side? First of all you have to take opposite to this one is opposite side, that is equal to perpendicular, here adjacent side, base, and this is the hypotenuse, H. Okay, now here P means BC, B, AB. So BC is equal to root 3 and AB is equal to 1. Okay, now according to the Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is equal to under root AB is how much? 1 square, BC root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1, root 3 square root cancels 3. So that is equal to root 4, that is 2. AC is equal to how much? 2. AC is equal to 2. Now we got all the 3 sides. Now let us go for ratios. Sin A. So we have taken according to A only this one. Sin A means what? P by H. P by H. P means what? BC. H means what? AC. So BC value is root 3. AC value is 2. Because sin A completed. Then go for only A's, cos A. Cos A. So this is sin, this is cos, B by H. B by H. What is B? AB by AC. AB by AC. So what is AB value? 1. AC value is 2. Now coming to C, cos C. Now if you are going to consider the triangle A, B, C, Now regarding to this one, you have to take. C means this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Opposite side P, here base and here H. Okay. Now cos means what? B by H. B by H. B means what? BC by AC. BC by AC. So what is BC? Root 3. AC is 2. Then sin C. Sin is what? P by H. P by H. P means AB. H means AC. So what is AB value? 1 by AC means 2. Okay. Now we got all the ratios, sin A, cos C, sin C. Now we have to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A into sin C. Just substitute the values. Okay, sin A root 3 by 2 into cos C root 3 by 2, cos A 1 by 2, sin C 1 by 2, root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Okay, LCM is 4, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This is the value of the given value. Okay, so in 8th problem there are 2 bits. I have done only 1 bit, remaining bit is for your practice problems. Till now we have completed 11.1 exercise. If you have any doubts, just post your doubts in the comment box so that I can solve your problems. Okay, that's for the 11.1 exercise.